Another visit to the Paul Goodall Performance Workshop to catch up on the Ducati 853 Resto project. As you can see, most of the wiring loom is now installed, with just the clocks and horn needing completion for the daytime MOT. Cooling system charged with fluid, and I'm really pleased with the choice of black hoses and new clips. That is an RS radiator for extra cooling. And it is the little details that matter in my view. Like, look at these rubber cable ties on that frame. That's the kind of thing that I think really matters in these restos. I'm so pleased with the choice of the satin black wheels front and back. They do look really nice, and I'm sure when the wheels are spinning they'll look even better. So much work has gone into selecting the correct components and fittings. This is the kind of effort that makes the whole thing come off really nicely. I think that rear shock looks almost as good as new. And I think in the next picture, that is an RS connector sitting there above the frame tube. Anyway, here's the bit you have all been waiting for. I'll stop talking and you can listen to some beautiful Ducati noises. That's all we could do without the airbox and limited fuel. But even to my ears, the exhaust note is lower than the 748R. Just wait until she goes for her dyno run and power test soon. I'm hoping for 115 plus horsepower. That would be 10 over the standard 748R. Anyway, tell me what you think, and I'll do the next one as soon as I can, and then you can see what we really achieved with this restoration of the Ducati 853. Thank you.